Hi, this is attorney Jeffrey Rabin, and this is your Social Security Minute. Social Security decisions sometimes seem random, and to a certain extent they have to be because every application is decided based on the facts, and our facts are all unique. However, there is a structure to every Social Security decision. Every case goes through the same analytic process that in the regulations they call the sequential evaluation procedure. Now, I'm a roofer's kid, so I talk about climbing the ladder because that makes more sense to me than sequential evaluation procedure. The first question Social Security asks in every case is, are you engaged in substantial gainful activity? This year, in 2026, it means, are you doing full or part-time work that makes $1,690 gross in a month? If you are, that's considered substantial gainful activity and likely your case will be denied. If you're not, they go to step 2 on the ladder, which asks, does the evidence indicate that there's a medical condition here that at least minimally impacts on function? They call it evidence of a severe impairment. This is to rule out cases like high blood pressure, which is a very serious medical condition, but doesn't usually produce symptoms that impact function. Assuming that there's a severe condition, call it a bad back or a bad heart or a mental health issue, Social Security goes to step 3 on the ladder, which asks, does the medical evidence indicate that these conditions meet or equal the listings of impairments? Now, the listings of impairments are pages and pages and pages of medical criteria dealing with all types of medical problems. There's listings for back problems, heart problems, breathing problems, mental health problems. And if you exactly match that criteria, you're presumed disabled and benefits are awarded. It's a very high standard. If you don't, we go to step 4 on the ladder, which asks, do you retain the functional capability of doing any of the work you've done in the last 5 years? Now, that doesn't mean getting the job. The job might not even exist anymore. But can you perform it? If you can, you lose. If you can't, we go to step 5 on the ladder, which asks, considering your functional capabilities, your age, your education, your work skills, are there other jobs available in the national economy that you can perform? If there are, we lose. If there aren't, benefits are awarded. These 5 steps are used in every single case by every single decision maker. And this has been your Social Security Minute, brought to you by the law offices of Jeffrey Rabin and Associates.